Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Trends. I'm Suhas here. So I'm going to show you how to install Cisco VPN client in a Windows 10 PC. So you can access other networks through VPN. VPN from the Cisco. Uh, you can download the software from other website, so you can install it and you can use it. I will show you how to install now. I have Opera browser. I'm opening Opera browser. So we need to enter a google.com. In google.com type Cisco VPN Any Connect download for Windows 10. So in this, if you click on cisco.com, for example, here you can download a software by logging into the Cisco. By logging here, we can download, or let's try here. See, we need to log in with the Cisco website. I don't have an access account here, so I am using the third-party software, third-party website to download the Cisco client. VPN software. So I'm using different website. In this website, there is a oilmis.edu. It's a university. I will show you. It's a University of Mississippi has uploaded the Windows 10 supported VPN, Any Connect VPN. I'm downloading it from here. It does not require any account, so I downloaded here. My download has been done. So here I have Any Connect VPN client software. You just double click and install the software. Click on next. It's asking for agreement license, so once you check I accept the terms in the license agreement, you click on it and click on next, and after this you need to install the software. Some changes will be done on the software. Now the installation has been done. It's pretty simple. So you need to check for the software. You click on the start menu of the Windows. So inside that you can search here, for example, Any Connect. It will appear directly, or you can click here, you can search. Its first application is there, so I will tagging that one application to my taskbar. Here I tagged it, so I'm opening it. This is Cisco Any Connect. Here I can connect through my VPN ID. Here in settings you don't need to change anything. I'm just giving an attempt here by try to connecting. Like this, if you give an IP and try to connect through VPN, my ID is not taking properly because I'm in a different network. It is an office VPN ID, so I'm not using it, so I'm closing. By using this you can access other system properly and easily and work in the home environment or any other places. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button, so it will improvise my videos in next comings. Thank you.